Chef Enchanted Vines. I started opening up my newest orders from TCT Crafts, and I was like, why not share it? So we're gonna go through, this is an order that I placed. This is a surprise. So let's see what I got. So TCT Crafts is owned by Melissa Card, another amazing designer. She's very generous with the bubble wrap, so I mean, she won me over right there. Okay, so I was looking on her site, and there's a lot of really beautiful florals, okay? So I got these are like, I think they're tea roses. And let's see, these are from Allstate Floral. That's very high quality, love it. These are just some little accent flowers. I'm actually gonna make something, I think, in a dough bowl that she gave me. Ficus, okay, I'm always talking a big ficus game, and so I wanted to just check out other people's ficus. So this is fantastic. I think it's a little bit bigger than the one I usually use, but it's got like all that detail. It's got the lines, very nice. So if you are looking for ficus and you don't buy wholesale, check out TCT Crafts. Theirs is great. More accent flowers. This is just kind of like that time of the year where people aren't necessarily like ready for all like the big bright pops of color. It's kind of a little bit of a neutral time, so I was staying in that mindset. All right, this bouquet, and I think this was on sale. Okay, anything with allium, I'm just obsessed with. So that kind of drew me in. But, you know, when you have something put together like this, it's really taken the guesswork out of pairing. If you're somebody that, you know, sometimes struggles with putting different colors together, you know, when you find these bushes, they've already mapped it out for you. So if you're gonna add ribbon, maybe you just, you know, pull from one of the colors on here. This has a lot of like really cool stuff like that. Got two of them. All right, so in the spirit of Valentine's Day, I got these red ranunculus, and look at like the color on these. Very, very vibrant. These are from Select Artificial. I mean, they're from Melissa, but how pretty are these? I'm like a sucker for tea roses. Okay, this item I was very excited about because we all love the greenery, and we're always looking for new types of greenery, well-priced greenery, all this stuff. So this is a greenery pick, and I'm definitely gonna link this for you guys because it has like a little bit of everything. So if you were doing like a crescent wreath, and I got two of them, you could even like, you know, once they're both fluffed, obviously, like have it go on one side of your wreath, and that side, it's already laid out for you. It's all covered up. So this has fern, it has some ivy. I gotta see how much this is, because I really, really like this. I wasn't gonna bore you until I did. Oh, the price isn't on here. I will find out because this is fantastic. Let's see. So here is some green wired ribbon. It's got a little bit of metallic to it. Okay, I don't think I ordered this. I don't think I ordered either of these. Oh my gosh, these are free gifts. Hello, Melissa. Look at that goodie. I don't know if this is a normal thing or not, but I am excited. Okay, so this is a Mackenzie Childs ribbon. I don't know the brand, but this looks great. So it's got blue checkering, gold trim, and then we all know this name. This is D. Stevens, 4-inch. This is like super generous. I'll be ordering just for the freebies. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, Melissa's too good to me. Okay, I'm gonna have to follow up with her on that. Okay, so we had free goodies and then we had all these awesome goodies. Okay, so this is one order. Let me know what you guys think. And then let's get to the surprise order that Melissa put together. I am so cheap when it comes to being a small business owner. When I like get giddy about bubble wrap because it saves me so much money for shipping things. Okay, let's see what we're working with. So this is from Artificial Select, and this is very, very lifelike. Let me see if there's paper in here so that I can. Ooh, so this box is all about embracing spring vibes with cheerful pink and yellow florals paired with coordinating ribbon. Let your creativity bloom. Awesome. Okay. Ficus. Okay, this might be another type of ficus. The price isn't on here, so I can find out if you're interested in prices or anything. All right, we have a yellow filler bush. You know, when you make like those like cottage style wreaths that have like all those like bursts of color, it's perfect to have like those little pops that really like bring everything together. It makes it very unique. I wish I could identify flowers better. Oh, primrose, okay. I don't know if these are real touch. They feel real. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, I almost ordered these. She must have been reading my mind. Okay, these are tuberose sprays. They kind of remind me of freesia. These have like some good weight to them. These are gonna do very nicely like in an arrangement, or if you were doing like, again, top and bottom of a wreath. Love. Ooh, some fern greenery. Let's see, there is a lot on here. So this is one that has the paper stem. So for this, you can just take it and just pull it apart. I was sweating that wasn't gonna work. You can just pull it apart like so, and then you have, I don't even know, like it looks like there's like 24 stems there. I'm gonna show you that last. So pretty. Okay, we have these pink florals. They are Camella sprays. Camella, okay. Gorgeous. And they have like such detail, like the unopened, like almost ready to bloom. Gorgeous. But guys, I mean, I know I can't stop talking about peonies because it's just my favorite. But like, look at these peony stems. So we've got 2 giant blooms, and then we have our one like baby bud. Gorgeous. I know I've just been flooding you guys with peonies. I like what I like. Oh, and to tie it all together. So Melissa is one of those like really awesome bow makers. So she has included this ribbon, which as you can tell, I mean, it is like perfectly paired. So again, if you're somebody who is struggling with like what goes with what, you can base it off the ribbon too. If you have a ribbon that you really like, then go and seek it out. But this stuff like matches like to the T. Ooh, and then Ferris silk. She's like bringing me up, making me fancy. And this is like hot pink and lime, which is forever my favorite color combo. And this is very, very structured. So I'm excited to use this. So with promo code CARA15, you get 15% off your order. There is a lot to look through on her site. So I definitely encourage you to. It's www.tctcrafts.com, and I will link it as well. But let me know, what were your favorites out of this, this batch of goodies? Can't wait to hear. Bye, guys.